So we've got some really exciting news. Mini Canada has contacted us to get a classic Mini to display at their booth at the Vancouver International Autoshow. Now it's the 60th anniversary of the Mini, so it's a really big deal. And we're thinking to ourselves, what's the best Mini that we know locally that we can show off both our shop and the cars? And then it dawned on us, our good friend Alex and his beautiful 94 red SPI. All right, so this is Alex, and as you can see, he's got his beautiful 94 red car. We imported this car from Japan. When we got it originally, it was completely stock. Kind of looked sort of crappy, if we're honest, but we've done a ton of work to it, so we'll show you kind of what we've done, and then we're gonna figure out exactly what we need to do to get it like top notch right before the show. So, yeah, so originally, like, it was red. It has some kind of peeling paint on the hood right now, and that's one of the things we're going to be addressing before the show. That was kind of the only part of the car that's kind of not super clean. The car was actually a rotisserie rebuild, so it's been painted inside out, everything. We've gone ahead and done all the weather seals, so you can see all the chrome here is brand new. It's got nice wing mirrors here, which are new as well. We converted to a Mark 1 grille, so cut off the little flange that came on the hood originally. Austin Cooper badge, you can see.
These are courtesy of Mindy DeMarco.
Oh yeah, these are the candles that he was talking about.
Candles?
Yeah, what are they called? The tripods?
The tripods?
Tripods,
yeah.
Lucas tripod headlights. And then obviously it's got 10-inch wheels, so we went to the 10s. We've got, what are they? They're Mamba?
Mambas, yeah. 10 by 6.
10 by 6 with AO32s tires. Yeah, these are the Group 2 rally flares. One of the things we're going to be addressing when we go through this is it's got these kind of hokey attachment points for the flares, and there's also a gap here. So we're going to take them off and we're going to put a nice rubber molding, and then have riv nuts on the back of these and nice stainless hardware. So this will all be touched up. And then we got to figure out something with this, because this keeps
coming off every time there's a bit of wind. So yeah, glue it on, or I don't know.
We'll figure out some way of attaching this chrome a little bit better. And then the interior is the big thing. So Alex did most of the interior himself, and I have never seen another SPI that's been done this way. Essentially, we converted the interior of the car to look as much as possible like an early car, but still retain air conditioning, still retain all the stock gauges. But yeah, come check it out. It's pretty awesome how it turned out.
So here's the inside. So what I've done in here is I've removed all the old dash, as much of it as I can, and I've only kept what I absolutely needed to keep. We repurposed the gauges. So these are the SPI gauges. And then I've kept the switch panel here. I've just made some modifications to how the switch panel is mounted, because otherwise it sticks out too far. I've taken out all the ducting, all the ductwork that goes to you know, the vents up here. That's all gone, so now it's just here. I've taken all the plastic. I've tried to remove as much plastic as I can and just keep just metal. Whatever's metal stays. If it's plastic, it's gone. So I know a lot of people are curious about how I did the custom center gauge cluster with the SPI gauges. I think what we'll do is we'll do a separate video, and I'm going to go over, we'll take it off, we'll open it up from the back, and you guys can see how I did it, how we got this piece of Kydex to fit, and I'll just go over basically the build. So if somebody wants to build one of these themselves, they'll know how to do it.
All right, so we got the hood off. One of the things we're gonna do when we get it painted is there's 3 little holes, as Alex was explaining earlier, where the old badge was. So we're gonna have it filled with like weld properly and painted, so that in the future, if Alex wants to run it without any badge, it'll be completely clean. And then for the auto show, we're just gonna attach this with some double-sided tape on the front. But when we get it back, it should look pretty much perfect.
polish it or just?
He did, yeah. Yeah, he polished it. So those three to be totally flush. And then the only other thing is, oh, on that side, yeah, right there.
They all have the problem.
They all have it, right?
Yeah,
do you know why it is?
Because of the hinge.
It's the hinge?
It's the hinge is just stiff, right? And when you close it, it just...
Oh, so it's putting a load on here and then it buckles there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know, maybe you can knock that down a little bit. Just before.
You're always late. I can't take you anymore. You have no more sick time. Oh, now sick. Are you okay? You don't do your work. You handed everything late.
So what are we doing with this beauty?
We are redoing the flares. We're gonna put some new molding in between the flare and the body here, and just kind of clean it up. It's got this terrible looking hood on there right now, but we've got the hood off for paint, so the hood's gonna be painted. And yeah, so we're just gonna work on the flares, kind of brighten them up right before the show.
Kind of bad for Phil because he's really sick. He's running like a fever of 39 degrees and poor guy's still working hard. How's it coming?
It's done.
Nice. Pretty sick, huh?
Both the car and myself. Hey Tony, it's Philip. Yeah. No, I'm just wondering, the hood, where are we at with that? Monday? Okay. Monday's the day of the show, so we're gonna need it, yeah. As long as it's super early in the morning. Okay. Well, cutting it tight. Alright, Monday morning. Okay, see you then. Bye.
Oh God.
Yeah, Monday morning. Alright, so we got Alex's car pretty much all done now. So we got the flares remounted. We got this nice rubber molding here, stainless hardware. We put riv nuts on the back, on the front and rear, so there isn't self-tappers that come loose and whatnot. So this is looking pretty good. Monday we're gonna be picking up the hood that will be repainted, and then as well as the little license plate light on the back. Bolt those on right before the show, and it should be good to go. That looks so good, right? And look, no more crinkle.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah. And he painted the front kind of corner there
this lip too, right?
the lip and the whole kind of inside, because he had to, when he welded it,
Yeah.
it like burnt the paint on the back. So
Oh, because he had to weld the holes.
yeah, look at it. Can't tell.
Oh. This hood's hilarious. It's just brutal.
Yeah, these look sweet though.
It looks
Like
so good.
this little bit of gap is not. It's you can still see it a little bit, but
Yeah,
I mean it's nowhere near as noticeable.
But it's
as
black
before.
on black now,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. So we just made it downtown, and now we're right outside the convention center waiting for Minnie to come with their team to come pick up the car. Now it's going to be really slammed. Yeah.
Love the candles.
Not happy candles.
Stand for. Just go all the way to end, and you're gonna meet my supervisor. She's gonna direct you, escort you where you need to go. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Never been down here.
But make sure slow, very slow, it's not working.
Akra, get your shit out of the way. You gotta get in here.
This would be tight to fit.
Yeah.
A big,
How do you fit
like a
any
Hummer
other
or
car in
something?
here? I guess you don't.
Maybe they're like, what is it, a mini? A classic mini? Okay, send them the other way.
This will be hilarious.
Send them through the,
Send them through the people
Where the
elevator.
Zambonis are.
Oh, dude, we're probably going to know. There's no way.
Is this for people?
What's that?
Is this for people?
Cars.
Cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Strictly for cars. It's so small we can get you in the elevator. That's how
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
it's funny.
I've never driven a car in an elevator.
Alright, good. Just turn it off so it fumes.
How do you feel about this flex?
Oh, this is weird.
I'd say this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
In an elevator, in a mini. That is gonna be tight. Watch out. Yeah.
Watch out for the carpets.
Yeah, I think this is a special case for this car.
Totally.
There's no way that any other car would fit through here.
I think we're coming in where the food comes in.
Yeah. I know, right? Are you gonna fit through this
We gotta
door?
fit through that door. Well, it's 4 feet wide, right? I don't know, man.
So 1 second, what I'll do is I gotta throw these guys on you. Hardest part. Nose over. Keep going. Come. You got about a foot on this side here, right? Yeah. Yeah. So keep going like that. There you go. Perfect. You're good.
Keep it
And just
real
go
tight
straight.
on this side and then.
Yeah.
Go straight. You're good. Perfect. Nice. Keep coming. You can start to cut it a bit. This way. Yeah, and you're good. And just come up here. You can turn right in if you want. Nice. You're like going down there? Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Can you actually forward 6 inches?
Special coaster.
Funny that they have a Ford pulling it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the unicorn.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Can you roll down my window?